You try to study, but your brain refuses to stay focused for even 10 seconds. One thought enter, then it becomes 10, and 10 thoughts becomes 30. And all of a sudden, you realize that you start scrolling on social media, your mind start drifting, you start thinking about different things, and you realize that you completely lose control. You know that point in time when you are studying, you started maybe around 10, so you were so focused, you were so deep into the studying, and you didn't realize that time has actually gone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get to that point. Before I actually go into all those and how you can actually focus for that long, now what actually makes your mind wander? What actually makes you drift is actually something deep in your brain that is happening. I'm going to be breaking that down in this video, so pay attention as I go on. Everything happens in your brain, and there are systems that matter. If you really want to pay attention, I'm going to be breaking down those systems. Those systems are just two systems: task positive network and default mode network. Understanding these two systems can actually help you stay so focused that you lose track of time. Now, because if you don't understand them, there is no how you'll be able to use them to your advantage in order for you to actually stay focused. So first of all, I'm going to be explaining the task positive network. The task positive network, that is the TPN, is activated when you are focused. When the task positive network is activated, that is when you learn difficult topics. Your working memory is very active. You can grasp complex concepts. That network is actually for study mode, and your default mode network is actually for when your mind is drifting, when you are scrolling on your phone, when you are checking your notification. So the default mode network is when your mind is wandering and you have different thoughts coming to your head at that point in time. There's a dynamic that happens between these two things. When the task positive network is active, the default mode network is not active. And when the default mode network is active, the task positive network is not active. At any point in time, your brain switches between these two networks. The question is, how can you suppress the default mode network and make the task positive network so active?